Look, I'm in heaven right now. Yay! Welcome back to our channel, Carlo and Seb. Today we're going to organize our pantry, specifically the coffee, creamer, and sugar that we have, and then how it looks like. So go check this out. We bought this one because of we're going to store our sugar and then our coffee on these ones because we love coffee a lot, so we're going to put out on the big one. The good thing about this one, it does have a locking mechanism, like to seal it tight. So yeah, and so aside from matching to the stuff that we do, it does have the cushion already, so that it's when it glides on the counter, it's not going to make too much noise. So this is how we organize our pantry. And then instead of using this one, like I told you, I stole this one from, look at this, ta-da! So yeah, it's nice, huh? So I stole this one from IKEA, so that's what we're going to use. Those are gonna be our serving tray. So we're just going to pour. I already dried this up. We're just going to how to organize your pantry, I should say, right? And then you just pour it all there. Here at home we use Folgers from Costco. And then shake, 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 there you go. And then you have this one in it. There you go. My baby will be surprised with all this. And then the next one would be stevia, because here we use stevia, and then we use a lot of sugar in this household. Oh, and I think I overdid it, so I gotta pour it back. Oh, there you go. I gotta clean that. And then there's our spoon again. There you go. And there you go. And then now it's all sweet in here. I gotta clean that up later. And then we do have our creamer. We just got this one from, we don't really use a lot of creamer. We use a lot of what's that one called? We use a lot of soy milk. So this one is just for presentation purposes. Oh, and then that one's too high, so I gotta cut it. And then yeah, so that's how is that gonna be looking on here. And then this one probably for our tea. And then yeah, so this is how we set up our coffee area in the house. We don't have a fancy coffee maker yet, but eventually probably when we get the money. Anyway, hopefully you like this video, how we organize our pantry, our coffee counter. And then if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And then I will see you again in the next video. Bye.